Kupla people, Yavrol Boysna, Yavrol Gershno, Bijes na bigim, ona lili toko taso, before all kind of trophy no, all no koso. You know when I book no here because to rugby league. So now you know Yavrol YouTube to play good, play rugby league now. Big for something of discipline. You know to go to school, Harry talk no teachers. You go to house, Harry talk no Papa Mama Bibla, Harry talk no elders Bibla. No one disrespecting all big old man or no one disrespecting parents people, teachers people. You mean Harry talk, come up on Kupla Pigini, Kupla man. As parents, claim responsibility below, raising on Pigini people, installing discipline law, na Piero Banga, Kupla man, na Kupla citizen of country people. Thank you. Okay. Hold discipline, respect, and let me summarize more as something. Thank you. All right. Hello, give me the President Bogos. Thank you.